Good evening, everyone. So today the tool name is Google Gemini. It is one of the extension of Google only. Okay. And it's a very powerful extension because it contains all the apps generated by Google, like Google Classroom, then Google Docs, Google Sheets, then Share Drive, every apps which is being generated by Google is being collaborated inside Google Gemini. So that's why it is one of the powerful tool which I am going to describe today. And after using this tool, there is no need to go on Google, basically on Google search engine to search many things at different intervals or at different instants. So all the things you can do the search, and you can even give the audio voice also to search for yourself to the Google Gemini. Okay, so let me share the screen for this, and we will start exploring this tool today on various topics. Now my screen is visible. I think give me a quick confirmation in the chat. Screen is visible to everyone. Yes, it is visible. Okay, fine. Now, from when you will search on Google, then simply just write Google Gemini AI. Google Gemini AI. Yes. Okay. Deepika is also saying yes, it is visible. Fine. So when you will clicking on Google, just come to the Google extension and just simply type Google Gemini AI. Okay. You will be coming to this interface, then click on here and you will automatically redirected to this interface. Clear? But you need to, of course, log in with your Gmail ID, then only this interface will be visible to you. Now, this is light interface, and from in the settings, again, here also like in the notebook LM, we change that theme. Here also you can go for dark theme. So it depends upon your choice in which theme you want to interact with this tool. Okay, so I am okay with this dark and light both. So I have selected for light theme so that everything can be visible here on the screen easily and you can understand everything. Now, this tool I will be describing in two sections because it has many things to be explained. Okay, so today we will be going with general things, and then in the next session I will be adding some extension also in that so that you can explore more and you can utilize this tool effectively. So here you can see, here you can upload image also if you want to ask something about that image or anything else for that particular thing. But here I will be using, either I can write something and then ask, or the next option is to just select here microphone, use the microphone, and then everything will be everything we can ask from the Google Gemini at very instant pace. Okay. So what I will be asking from Google Gemini today, suppose I am planning to go to Goa in the coming month, like February is coming. So in that month, I want to visit Goa for 5 days or 6 days. So I will ask Gemini about everything that trip. Okay. That's a niche I have taken today. That's a topic I have taken today. I will be asking some topics from you also so that we can ask from this tool. So what I am going to do? I will simply clicking here. So Google Gemini, I am planning to go to Goa by next month, that is February. Now give me a proper list of flights which I can board from Indore, and just so after asking, just type enter everything. It will give in few seconds only. So how fast it is. So why I'm telling you to use this tool, because when you will go on Google, you need to type everything, and then so many links will come, and accordingly you need to choose. So which are the links will be useful or not useful, that then you have to decide over there. Okay, now here everything will be coming in summarized form. I do not have access to real time information, but everything it has given me, like use online travel agency, popular website like this. So it has given me popular websites. Okay. Then check airline websites directly, be flexible with your travel dates, consider connecting flight. It has given me some information. Now I will be asking, give me the flight rates of Indigo from Indore to Goa. So now let's see what result will come. So I found a few round trip flights from Indore to Goa departing on February 25 and returning on March 5. So I told Gemini that I am planning for 5 to 6 days. Okay, so it is giving me some many things like Indigo 6E6219 departing at 12:20 p.m., arriving at 1:55 p.m. Price from 10,000. Round trip it has given me. Okay, round trip. And like this, it has given me every detail, in detail, everything. So there is no need to go inside particular app and then see the price rates. You can directly ask Google Gemini here only. Okay. Now you can view all option more info from Google Flight. You can, when you will click over here, then you can go, you will be directed to the different websites. Okay. Here, from here only. Like this, it has given me everything in detail, like Google Flights round trip. Okay. So, and you can see that it's from Indore and Goa, it is nearly about 1 hour 35 minutes only. Another also, it has given you many suggestions, okay, according to timings. Now, next question I will be asking from here, from it. So, Google Gemini, give me best five hotels, top five hotels to stay in Goa. So, like this, it has given me everything now with images. Uh, Taj Citadel, the Goa Heritage. It's a property of Taj. Then Grand Hyatt Goa and ITC Grand Goa, and then the St. Regis Goa Resort, then W Goa. Like this, it has given me everything. Marriott Goa, it is. Okay. When you will be clicking on this, you will be redirected to the website. आप जब इस पे click करेंगे तो you will be redirected to its website. Okay. Now, in so many things you can ask from here related to stay also. Now, give me a budget hotel list under 5,000 rupees per night. So like this, it has given me every detail. Lilywood Highland Beach Resort, informal rooms and suites. So what the use, exact use, that I have just informed everything like my budget and my rates. So accordingly, it has given me so many links, direct links. So there is nothing to find. You can directly click on these links and book your hotel. So that's the use of this tool. And there are many other uses also which we'll be describing here only. So like this, it is like Lilywood Highland Beach Resort, 3,857 per night. So like this, you can search so many. Kalangut Residency, then Kalangut Beach Resort, Kalangut Towers. So many things it has given me already. Now, what the next thing? Give me a list of items that has to be bought before onboarding to Goa. अब मुझे जाना है क्या क्या आइटम्स लेके, तो पहले पैकिंग के लिए क्या क्या जरूरत पड़ेगा, तो वो लिस्ट भी मैं इससे मांग सकता हूँ. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू गोवा क्या क्या चाहिए मेरे को, वो अभी सब कुछ बताएगा ये. लाइक टिकट्स एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स, मनी, फोन एंड चार्जर, मेडिकेशन, फर्स्ट एड किट, and in clothing also, like according to weather it will give us like light and breathable clothes, swimwear, beach cover, flip flop sandals, comfortable walking shoes, sun hat, cap, sunglasses, light jacket or shawl, formal wear like toiletries, sunscreen, toilet, then insect repellent, toothbrush, deodorant, makeup, hairbrush, everything in detail it is giving me. Okay. So it's just an example I have taken Goa. Suppose you are going to any hilly region or outside India, abroad. So what are the things need to be carried? That everything it will give you at very instance. In within few seconds, it will give you all the information. Now, what are the next thing I should ask? That I will be staying over there for 5 days. Just use microphone. I will be staying there for 5 days. So just a minute. One thing is, I will be staying there for 5 days. Give me day-wise locations to visit. So possible 5 day Goa itinerary basically I have asked basically the itinerary for so arrival in Goa and Panji exploration. So whenever we are landing to Goa, so Panji of course the Goa airport is nearby Panji only. So fly from Indore to Goa, WM airport, and then you can explore Panji in an afternoon exploring Panji, and then they do Old Goa, Spice Plantation, morning visit Old Goa, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Afternoon head to Spice Plantation. Evening relax and enjoy dinner at a hotel or a nearby restaurant. North Goa beaches and water sports you can do morning. Then start with Kalangut Beach, then Baga Beach, Wagatur Beach. Afternoon indulge in water sports like parasailing. Everything it has given me in detail. So there is there nothing to hire about these guides over there. हम गाइड हायर करते हैं कहीं पे जाके हमें करने की जरूरत नहीं है जेमिनी इज माई गाइड so at whichever place you want to explore you can just take the help of it. Okay. Now tell me about the best restaurants over there for dining. So let's check the list of restaurant. Now, Google Maps. According to Google Maps, it has given me the details now. For best overall experience, Makazai Goan restaurant and Fenny cocktails, a rivalry. Then for affordable dining, the Fisherman's Wharf Panjim, the Black Sheep Bistro. For vegetarian options, Saudagar, Bean Me Up. For seafood lovers, Mama Miso, the beachfront restaurant, specializes in seafood dishes. It's known for its fresh catches, fat fish like this. It has given me all the details. So you can just type and you can go for these Google Maps also. Okay. So here you can see it has given me all the details. Here you can read also. Now, next question from Google about this. Now I am going to wind up this topic now. So the last. Now give me the total budget for one packs for 5 days to visit Goa. अब मैंने इससे पूछा है कि कितना बजट आएगा जो जो मैंने इससे पूछा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग है मुझे बजट बताएगा कि कितना फॉर वन पैक्स इट विल गिव मी द बजट लाइक फ्लाइट्स राउंड ट्रिप फ्रॉम इंदौर 8,000 to 15,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन बुकिंग टाइम एंड डेट्स सो एवरेज रेट इट हैज गिवन मी 8,000 to 15,000 देन accommodation budget hotels में अगर हम जाएंगे तो it will be 1,000 to 3,000 per night. Mid range 7,000 and for your choice like this 17,500 for total 5 days. Okay, then food for 5 days it will be 3,500 total अगर हम बाहर खा रहे हैं budgeted के according भी and mid range restaurants में भी. And for transportation like this 300 to 500 per day when you will be hiring some bikes or car over there it depends. Clear? Like it has telling me that taxi cab variable depending on distance public transport like this so let's say 400 per day average mix of scooter and some taxi so it will be equal to 2,000 but might be it will go across it or 2,000 beyond bhi ja sakta hai. Now activities we will do it will be water sports like 500 to 1,000 per activity. Spice plantation tour is related to 500 to 1,000 range है उसका. Doodh Sagar Fall trip. If you are going for that, that is 1,500 to 3,000. So like this, what is the total estimate budget? टोटल एस्टिमेट बजट फॉर 5 days, लोअर एंड पे भी अगर हम जाते हैं तो 38,000 आता है अप्रोक्स, मिड रेंज में जाएंगे तो 50,000, एंड अपर एंड इट विल गो अप टू 50, 80, 1 lakh ऑल्सो. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर द मीन्स द कैटेगरी ऑफ होटल्स, the category of dining restaurants which you are opting. Now, it has given me some tips to save money also, like travel off season. So these kind of tips Google is not going to give you. This Google extension will give you, Google Gemini. So that's why Google Gemini is so much different and advanced from Google. So like travel off season, बुक फ्लाइट्स एंड अकोमोडेशन इन एडवांस, इफ यू विल डू इन एडवांस, ऑफ कोर्स पीक सीजन में नहीं जाएंगे या पीक सीजन आ रहा है तो स्पेशली अगर एडवांस में करेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स वो सस्ता पड़ेगा अपन को. देन यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट रेदर देन रेंट अ स्कूटर, मींस रेदर देन रेंटिंग अ कार. अगर हम स्कूटर और ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करेंगे तो इट विल बी क्वाइट चीप. सो अवॉइड फ्रीक्वेंट टैक्सी राइड्स, eat at local eateries, choose free activities like this. Okay. So it has given me everything in detail. So that's the power of this AI tool. Okay. Now I want from your side that on which topic you will use this tool. Please write your views in the chat. Write your views in the chat on which topic you want to use this Gemini tool. Please share your views in the chat. I want to hear it. Or I want to read it, and then I will start using it also. So Deepika ma'am, Piyush sir, please share your views. I think Anjali ma'am has just joined. Anjali ma'am, we are using I am teaching a Gemini tool which giving me answer in very few seconds, you can say very instantly it is giving me answers. So any idea like how to publish a book? Okay, वो हम इससे ये पूछते हैं कि कैसे पब्लिश करेगा अब ये बुक, सारे स्टेप्स बताएगा अपन को. Gemini, tell me how to write an ebook. What are the steps to be followed to write an ebook on any topic? Let's check the steps. So creating an ebook involves several key steps from initial idea to final publication. Here is a breakdown of the process, which I have already explained in on my 26th January session bootcamp. So first, I told you like you need to identify your niche on which topic you are going to write a book. Then brainstorm ebook topics. Of course, you need to brainstorm कि अगर आपको एक niche पता लग गया है तो उसके ऊपर उसमें फिर सब टॉपिक क्या होना चाहिए. देन वैलिडेट योर आइडिया, रिसर्च योर टारगेट ऑडियंस कि इस बुक की डिमांड होगी या नहीं होगी मार्केट में. तो यू नीड टू रिसर्च योर टारगेट ऑडियंस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज कंपाइलेशन इज इजी, publishing is easy, but selling is difficult. Okay, so you need to research your target audience. Are they interested in this topic, whatever you are typing or whatever you are compiling? So after publishing, whether they are interested in that topic, so तभी वो सेल होगा आपका. Then planning or outlining. Of course, define your target audience, create a detailed outline, introduction, body, conclusion. This I already told you in the boot camp. And then set realistic deadlines, break down the writing process into smaller, manageable tasks with deadlines for each. मतलब एक दिन में जरूरी नहीं, अगर if it is a long book having more than 500 plus pages or 1,000 pages, so you need to divide or you need to write in chunks. Then write the ebook, write a compelling introduction, focus on providing value, use clear and concise language, incorporate examples, stories, and case studies, maintain a consistent tone and style, write regularly. Editing and proofreading. Of course, self edit first, get feedback from beta readers, like share your manuscript with a few interested friends or colleagues, then hire a professional editor, formatting and design. Okay, let me ask from Google that which are the tools for compiling. Okay, अब इस बार हम टाइप करके देखते हैं. Suggest me tools to compile the data for any ebook. Okay. So research and data collection, web browsers, Google Scholar, it is suggesting me Statista, then Pew Research Center, government websites, survey tools, okay, Survey Monkey like this, note taking apps, reference management tools, data organization, analysis, spreadsheets, database software, data visualization tool, Google Data, Tableau, writing and collaboration. Then Grammarly, you can use Pro Writing 8 collaboration tool, Google Docs. Then like Trello भी है, Dropbox, then ebook creation, then Vellum, Caliber, Scrivener, Canva. Yes, I told you on that data. You can do the formatting in Canva also, of course, in Adobe InDesign. Then choosing the right tools, type of data you are working with. So like this, it has given me everything. Now, on which websites should I publish? Should I publish the e-book for sale? So it will tell me some websites. Let's check the websites. So what are the suggestion? Amazon Kindle, of course, first choice. Amazon Kindle. Why it is number one? Hashtag one. It has given me. Amazon is the undisputed king of ebook sales. They have the largest customer base, and their Kindle devices and are very important, you are ubiquitous. And pros, huge reach, easy to use platform. Pros भी बता दिए, कौन सी बता रहा है ये? Okay, exclusivity required for KDP select 90 days and can be competitive. Means whenever you are going to upload, so might be it takes 90 days for your confirmation, because they will go with everything and then only they will tell you whether it is applicable or not. Then Apple Books, of course, Apple is one of the leading soft company, so Apple Books also on Apple Google Store also you can publish. Then what? Barnes and Noble Press, major player. Then Kobo Writing Life. Okay. So like this, it has given me many websites on which I can like Draft to Digital, Smashwords, Lulu. Then for maximum reach, Amazon KDP. So which platform is right for you? Start with Amazon KDP, Kindle publication. Okay. And to reach Apple user, publish on Apple Books. For wider distribution, use an aggregator like Draft to Digital or Smashwords to reach multiple platforms at once. So like this, you can get any information from this Google Gemini tool. So, what are your views? What are your views about this AI tool? Just share your views in the chat. What are your views? And on which topic you are going to explore today? Today only, on which topic you are going to explore on this tool? Please share your views. Okay, very useful. Very useful. Okay, Deepika ma'am and Anjali ma'am, on which? So, how is the tool and on which topic? मैम इज सेइंग अमेजिंग फाइन बट आई वांट ऑन विच टॉपिक यू मींस अब आप सोच रहे होंगे ना जैसे मेरे को some tasks are there lined up tasks are there in your life right now, so which task you want to means accomplish or done, you want to complete that task with the help of this tool, on which topic you want to use this tool. Might be there are many tasks, professional tasks, personal tasks. So, in which way you will be asking help from this tool? This I want to know. If you don't want to write in chat, you can unmute yourself and then share. Okay. Information on colleges. Great. Because your daughter is going to pass 12th examination and you are asking for the colleges. Great. Okay. Anjali ma'am is saying stock data analysis. Great. You are having deep interest in this stock marketing, and so you want to ask some stock data analysis. Okay. Great. Great. So that's all from today's session. Start exploring this tool. There are many things left. There are many things left in this tool. Some extension I need to explain that I will be covering in the next session. But this is the basic thing I have just explained you. You can type or you can directly use the microphone. And then you can explore according to your time limits. Means there is no time limit for this tool, but of course we have some time limits. Okay, we have some time limits in our life, so it will be very friendly. I'm saying that you maybe get addicted to this tool because it is very much friendly user and it gives the instant answer and there are no charges for this. It's a free tool, but make sure that you should use this tool for limited time, so that you cannot be addicted to this. And I want that you should be focusing more on generating videos, animated videos, and other things which I'm going to teach in the coming days. Like I have tell you how to publish, how to create ebooks. So just take the idea and start working on other tools which I have already explained. Okay. And one more thing I want to explain, that one of the mobile phone, that is S25 Ultra, is going to launch on 7th of Feb. That this tool, Google Gemini, is the extension. Okay. This Google Gemini, of course, we can search on Google engine and then we can explore. But they are giving a direct button for this Google Gemini. So in the coming days, they are going to, might be they will going to monetize this for the users. Okay. And might be they will add some more features, advanced features, because it's an AI tool and they have integrated that mobile with AI. So, and that's why its price has already raised. Clear? So it's a very powerful tool. But उस फीचर की वजह से ही उसका रेट इतना बढ़ गया है. It is like if I going for this S25 Ultra for 1 TB, it is coming around 1,65,000. So you just think what is the power of AI, that it is giving competition to one of the leading phone making company, that is Apple. 1,65,000 के एप्पल के फोन्स आते हैं एंड सैमसंग इसको एआई इंटीग्रेट करके उसको टक्कर दे रहा है. यू जस्ट थिंक व्हाट एआई इज गोइंग टू डू इन द कमिंग ईयर्स एंड डेज. So that's all from this session. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask so that I can wind up the session.